Over the past 2 years, North Carolina and the rest of the world has been through a lot. Personally, I expected many challenges as governor, but a global pandemic was not one of them. But I knew it was my job to lead, and I've done that to the best of my ability. Today, we can look forward with the belief that the worst is behind us. And as we look ahead, it's important to take stock of how far we've come. 2 years ago, the world stopped because of an extraordinarily contagious virus we knew little about. But as COVID-19 evolved, so too did our understanding of how to combat it. When this virus first reached North Carolina, we, like the rest of the world, faced daunting challenges. Remember, at the beginning, our country was short of the most basic tools. Personal protective equipment like masks and gowns were not widely available, even for the healthcare workers who were treating COVID patients, much less for the rest of us. Testing supplies for this new virus were just being created and produced, and they were in short supply. There was no vaccine and no effective treatment or cure. The sick flooded our hospitals, and doctors faced impossible treatment choices. In total, more than 23,000 North Carolinians lost their lives to this cruel virus, and their families still hurt today. Remembering the spring of 2020 and the following months evokes strong memories that are difficult and often painful to recall. But it's important for us to remember how we came together, took strong action, protected people's health, and worked to prevent our hospitals from being overwhelmed. We focused not only on saving lives, but livelihoods. During the pandemic, North Carolina was shown to be among the lowest states in both deaths and job loss per capita. We made the right choices. We got our children back in school. We kept our economy going. We saved lives. And now we turn the page on the pandemic, knowing that we have the tools for people and businesses to make the right choices for themselves. It's been almost a year since we ended the statewide mask mandate and capacity limits for businesses. Students and teachers have been in the classrooms all year, and masks are optional. And we have steadily increased the number of vaccinated and boosted North Carolinians, which is still critical for people to do to protect themselves from a virus that is still here. Over the last 2 years, we've written a history of hardship and resilience, setbacks and successes. But now we enter the next phase, one of individual responsibility, preparedness, and prosperity. It's time to chart the new course. This virus will still be with us, but it won't disrupt us.